Hi there. It's easy to add text to your connectors in draw.io. Click on the connector and just start typing the text. You can always customize your text by going over to the Format panel, then the Text tab to change the color, size, or orientation. Want to move the text somewhere else? Just select your text and drag the orange diamond here to a new location and the text will follow. You can place the text above or below the connector. The text will stay attached to the connector you've assigned it to, so even if you decide to move the shape, the text stays with that connector. And that's what you can do with text and your connectors.